All, how are you today? So today I want to eat a bird or burung. Ya, hari ni I nak makan burung because previously I have been post puyuh goreng berempah, means quail bird herbs fried, but today I nak masak simple sebab I masih lagi dalam selepas sebulan after 1 month operations. So I just want to eat very simple. It's really simple. It's called pecak burung. Okay, I nak buat pecak burung, tapi ni adalah resepi tu legendaries, resepi classicals from my grandmothers. Okay, nenek saya punya resepi. So this one I gunakan, you boleh guna apa-apa burung, but this one is the ingredient is today I'm using this one is a quail bird. Okay, burung puyuh ya, yang telah bersih, yang telah kita bersihkan. Dua ketul cukup lah, sebab saya seketul pun belum tentu habis. So this one is a grounded peanut ya, kacang tanah yang telah kita kisar halus. And this one is a red chili, okay, red pepper, and this one is a red ice chili. Okay, this one is a red ice chilies. Lada besar merah dengan lada cili merah. Kalau you nak pedas, if you want more hot, you letaklah selori ke, or lots of chilies, red chilies. And this one is a shrimp paste, or we call belacan. We toast first, grill first, kita bakarkan dulu. Okay, and this one is a tomatoes, and this one is a palm sugar. Ya, kita nak kisar nanti, you ketukkan dulu bagi dia hancur, and then masukkan dalam blender. This one is a plum sugar. You can use a regular sugar, is okay too. Okay, and this one is a onion and garlic. Okay, bawang putih. And this one is a kencur after I peel off the skins. Ya, kencur. Okay, ini bentuk asal dia, kencur, ataupun dinamakan dengan kacri galangal or Campharia galangals. Okay, and I perlukan santan pekat santan pekat. Santan ni you perahkan dengan menggunakan air masak sebab kalau you tak guna air masak, you sakit perut nanti So ni merupakan santan kental, santan pekat. Kalau you nak gunakan air suam-suam kuku pun is okay. But if you have a box and then you put a little bit of hot warm water. Okay, so let we cooking. So now this is our quail bird, burung puyuh, quail bird. And now what I should do is we cut in the back like this. Okay, by scissors and cut. Alright, so dia boleh terbuka macam ni. It should be like this. Okay, okay, kita buka macam ni. Okay, supaya kalau kita goreng nanti senang masak. Okay. So now firstly, after we cut these pepper, red pepper and tomatoes and all those things, all of these we want to fry it, okay, in the oils, accepted belacan and Campharia galangals. Ya, kita akan goreng semua ni kecuali kencur dan juga belacan. Ini kita ketepikan. So yang ini semua kita akan gorengkan. We fry, okay.
So now this one is the oil is hot already. So get ready to put inside this our ingredient, okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay, add all this, fry. Cover it. If not, the oil is jumping. It's dangerous.
Our ingredient after we fry is like this: tomato, garlic, and red ice chilies and red pepper, and put inside the blend. Okay, we want to blend it. Okay, and add Campharia cekor, kencur, Campharia galangal, and this one is a shrimp paste, and this one is a plum sugar after I heat in the mortar. Okay, and then we add our not use the water, but we use coconut milk. Okay, coconut milk is santan kental, and add in, and we blend it until it's become our paste. So this one is after we blend all the ingredient. This one is a grounded ingredient. Ya, bahan-bahan yang telah kita kisarkan tadi. Bau dia memang sedap sangat dengan santan pekat tu. Walah, yummy. And now sekarang kita masukkan peanuts, ya, grounded peanuts, ya, kacang yang telah kita kisar tadi.
Ya. Dia sama juga macam buat kuah pecel, tapi kuah pecel tu biasanya pecel sayur tu. Dia tak guna santan, tapi ni dia guna santan voilà. Okay, and kita letakkan sedikit garam, salt, a little bit of salt. Ya. Little bit of salt and mix it well. It's done, it's cooked. If kalau you nak letak MSG sikit pun boleh, just a little bit. But I don't want to put because I have this one is a palm sugar, it's okay dah manis pun kita rasa sikit.
Prepare our butter ataupun adunan untuk kita gorengkan kita punya burung puyuh. So firstly I add this one is a corn flour, ya, tepung jagung, corn flour, and 2 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, ya. Ya, tepung gandum lebih kurang dalam 2 sudu. Ya, 2 sudu besar lah. Ya. And then I love have a flavor like herbs. So I letakkan little bit 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Ya, coriander powder. Just a little bit. And add a salt. Ya, garam. Sedikit. And I add a little bit of MSG. Sikit saja tu, sikit macam tu saja, ya. And seterusnya kita letakkan telur, sebiji telur, 1 egg. And mix it. Okay. And little bit of water, ya, sedikit air untuk adunan kita, ya. And mix it sampai dia jadi adunan menggoreng, it's become our butter. Okay, now it's done. So dia jadi macam ni. Kita punya butter kita, adunan tepung kita is like this. And we add our bird, yeah, our quail bird, put inside. Okay. And then we fry it. So now our oil is hot already. So we want to fry our bird. Okay, kita akan gorengkan kita punya burung, Okay, now we flip over. Kita terbalikkan dia. Tunggu sampai dia is like a brown color and then it will cook. Okay, y'all. Now is cooked. See, is like a turn to the brown color. So now it's cooked and then we take it out. Okay, it's like this. Also now siap kita fry. I done fried my quail bird. So these are our results like this. Okay, can you see it? Okay. Now I want to make this pecak. So pecak must have this sauce, the gravy. Okay, peanut gravy. Okay, and coconut milk. So that my recipe, my own recipe. So let we put this to this bird. Ya, dekat burung ni. Hari ni kita buat pecak burung. Ya. Voila. So delicious. Alright. Okay, now it's our pecak burung. Okay, this one is a pecak burung. Let me zoom it. Oh. Wala. PECAK. Enak ya. Sedapnya.
Bless, O Lord, this food to my use and us to this service, and keep me ever mindful of the needs of others. In Jesus' name, Amen.
Hi y'all, how are you today? So meet me again in this channel's Alexis Emeralds. So today I'm cooking is a very simple but there is delicious, legendary and very classical from Javanese people because I'm Javanese Portuguese people. So today I make this one is a what we call pecak, yeah, pecak burung. Pecak burung, you boleh buat pecak babi pun boleh, pecak ikan pun boleh, pecak ayam pun boleh. It's up to you. Okay, but this gravy sometimes the people around Nusantara maybe there is a different on his apa dia punya gravy, yeah, is different. But this is my grandmom recipe and my own recipe now. So let me eating. Jangan buang masa sebab memang sedap, memang terbaik. Bau dia. Ini I dua tak habis sebab I buat macam ni sebab sebenarnya actually selepas sebulan, ya sebab selama sebulan tu kita berpantang, kita tak boleh makan kacang and then kita tak boleh makan benda yang terlampau heavy. So sekarang ni I memang dah sebulan, so I cuba sikit-sikit kita makan makanan yang berkacang and then kita dah boleh makan makanan yang berserat, ini sayur-sayuran. Okay, you can try. And then kalau you nak cuba nasi pun boleh. Tapi kalau you cuba nasi, dah rugi sebab perut you cuma sikit kan. So you nak makan nasi lagi, so dah rugi. So kita hanya makan yang lebihkan protein So let we try. Tada, this one. Alright. Dia punya peha dia nampak ni. Ini ada satu sudu lah. Satu sudu lah, kita agak-agak je lah Dia kalau sedap dia macam tu Macam kata kita something yang wow, sedapnya kan. Ya. Dia punya sos dia terasa manis dan ni pedas ni sebab I letak cili merah. Kalau you tak nak pedas sangat, you jangan letak cili merah. You letak cili merah sikit saja. You letak cili hijau saja. Okey, sebab ni memang terlampau pedas ya. Sebab kalau you nak pedas lagi, you boleh letak seleri ya. Memang sedap. Walau ikut resepi ni sebab kita menggunakan santan dan kencur untuk jadikan dia. Kalau pecel dia lain, pecel tak ada santan Ada pecak yang jenis yang Betawi, yang jenis yang dia guna air asam and then dia cincang-cincang dia punya bahan-bahan dia Okay. So you boleh cuba resepi ni because memang sedap and there's a resepi yang turun-temurun daripada dulu kala. And kalau you suka, jangan lupa subscribe my channel and like my channel, okay? So I tak boleh makan banyak-banyak sebab kuantiti I makan sekarang sikit. So I cuba lagi satu lah. So see, satu ni pun tak habis very little. Yang ni nanti I bagi couple I yang salai besi tu, dia memang suka. Tapi couple yang salai besi tu biasanya I akan tambah gula lagi sebab ni pedas sangat Okay. So jangan ragu-ragu. So selamat mencuba dan jumpa di lain masa, di lain menu, di lain resepi. And tunggu I punya untuk ni dah cukup sebulan tapi I nak buat video untuk weight loss tu sebab I tengah edit. Kalau sempat nanti mungkin dalam minggu ni atau minggu depan I postkan. So sampai berjumpa di lain masa. Bye.